Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the video and enabling captions. This activates YouTube's subtitle controls. Once captions appear, click or tap the CC/speech bubble icon to turn them on, because language options only show when captions are active. Make sure you're on the same device you'll use for playback, desktop, mobile app, or smart TV, since controls differ slightly. If the video lists only auto-generated captions, expect limited language choices, however. Once captions are on, move to the gear or three-dot menu to change language. Once captions are active, open the subtitle settings to view language options. On desktop, that's the gear icon, on mobile the three-dot or CC menu, and on TV the player settings. Choose Subtitles/CC, then either pick a listed language or select Auto-Translate to convert available captions into dozens of languages. This uses machine translation, so expect slight errors. Make your selection and wait a second for the text to reload. If the desired language isn't listed, check alternative languages or the creator's uploaded. Finalize by watching a short segment to confirm timing and translation. Pause and scan for errors, because auto-translate can misplace timing or mistranslate jargon. If the language doesn't appear, try toggling captions off and on, reload the page, or switch devices. Sometimes mobile and desktop show different options. If problems persist, clear your browser cache or update the YouTube app. Finally, if subtitles are absent or incorrect, contact the video owner and request an uploaded subtitle file, since only they can add accurate, language-specific tracks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.